Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Bitcoin price analysis. Bitcoin investors wait for the $9,665 CME gap to be filled. http ntvforex.com news ID 683D5 38 minutes ago Bitcoin formed a gap on July 24 that hasn't closed yet. Historically, CME gaps have always been good indicators of future price action. The Bitcoin market is open 24/7, which means it never closes and cannot form gaps. However, CME, a derivatives marketplace, does. CME Bitcoin futures created its most recent gap at $9,665 on July 24. This happens when the market closes and then opens at a different price, leaving a gap behind. Looking at the CME Bitcoin chart, we can see that, historically, every single gap has actually closed. Some gaps only take a few days to fill, while others can take up to 3 months, like the one in June 2019. Bitcoin touched $9,890, which is still notably higher than $9,665, and the gap is currently not considered filled. NBSP BTC USD daily chart. Bitcoin is exceptionally close to filling the gap, but it seems bulls are already buying the dip and not allowing the pioneer digital asset to fall below $10,000. On Binance, Bitcoin touched $9,825, again, reasonably close to the $9,665 gap. There are two main pathways that BTC could take. Bitcoin bulls could continue buying the dip and allow the gap to fill at the same time. A flash crash to $9,665 right into a bounce is a realistic scenario considering how healthy the $10,000 level is and that the RSI would be oversold if Bitcoin were to fall below $9,700. Additionally, this level coincides with the 200 MA as well. NBSP we could also see Bitcoin losing both levels at $10,000 and $9,665 and form a new low as below this last support level. Bitcoin doesn't have other support points until $9,047. NBSP BTC for US dollars hour chart. BTC has established a slight uptrend on the 4-hour chart after holding the low of $9,825 and forming a higher low at $9,875 followed by a higher high at $10,438 compared to $10,347. Bulls have defended the $9,875 low, establishing a new higher low at $9,920 and are now waiting for the leg up above $10,438 ideally. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.